The Industrial Revolution, beginning in the mid-18th century, represents a monumental shift in human history. It carved the path from agrarian societies, steeped in handcrafted traditions, to vibrant industrial landscapes exhibiting modern capitalism. The thunderous clatter of machinery replaced the gentle hum of the countryside, signaling a new era bustling with opportunity and challenges. The first industrial revolution set the stage for this significant transformation. Born in Britain, it was fueled by the nation's abundant natural resources, including coal and iron. The invention of the steam engine by James Watt fueled mechanized production, while innovations in the textile industry, like the spinning jenny and power loom, revolutionized textile manufacturing. A stark transition occurred as people migrated from rural homes to burgeoning factories, creating urban centers that thrived on the new factory system and enhancing productivity in previously unimaginable ways. As the 19th century progressed, the Second Industrial Revolution expanded these innovations globally, reaching countries such as the United States, Germany, and Japan. With the introduction of electricity, industries began to glow with new life, powered by the relentless energy from Edison and Tesla's innovations. Transport evolved with railroads and steamships, weaving a tightly knit web of trade across vast distances.